the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, enrolled in its 5-year integrated MSc course of Economics. I am from Dhanbad. I am a voter of Lala Lajpat Rai Hall of Residence. I am contesting for the post of Gender Secretary Technology, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2014-2015.
Okay, so what is the constitution of Gymkhana?
Sir, can you please elaborate your question a bit more?
What is the preamble of Gymkhana?
Sir, I can give you the copy of the preamble of the constitution of the Gymkhana.
I don't remember that.
Sir, I can give the copy of the constitution of the Gymkhana and you can read the preamble from that.
I'm not here to
You can read the preamble from that.
I mean, just a minute. If you have any questions on the introduction, you can ask. Otherwise, move on to Soap.
So why is it questioning to me?
You just ask a question, he'll answer it.
Oh.
Should we move ahead with Soap or not?
Okay, please.
Thank you. Please go ahead.
Thank you.
I strongly believe that my desire and confidence to contest for the post of Gender Secretary is well contended by the multifarious experiences I have gained in my school life and at my stay at IIT Kharagpur. Currently, I hold the post of Under Secretary, Technology Committee member of Lala Lajpat Rai Hall of Residence. I have efficiently managed the practice session of all the 9 Technology General Championship events along with other Technology Committee members. I was instrumental in preparation and maintenance of Technology General Championship budget of my Hall of Residence along with Gender Secretary Technology of my Hall of Residence and other Technology Committee members. I was an integral part of Inter-Hall ad design, product design and case study teams wherein I was also a part of product design presentation team. I was also a part of silver winning illumination and bronze winning Rangoli teams of Lala Lajpat Rai Hall of Residence. During my tenure, I secured a SGPA of 8.52 and improved my CGPA to 7.89. As a part of marketing associate team of Focus, a coaching institute affiliated to Resonance, I was responsible for 16 newspaper articles, 3 interactive media sessions and publicizing the coaching institute in 10 different schools across Dhanbad, which led to increase in batch strengths by 40% and 50% in subsequent years. In my first year, I was a part of Business Club of IIT Kharagpur. As a part of its publicity team, I was responsible for publicizing its flagship event, Indian Case Challenge 2013, in the cities of Kolkata and Dhanbad. In my first semester, I participated in Srishti, a startup ideation event by Rajen Mishra School of Engineering Entrepreneurship, where my idea was highly appreciated. Working enthusiastically on this idea, I created a business plan and was a finalist in business plan competition of Chitis 2013. I have been working on the same business plan for the past 1 year and will be launching my startup. I have also taught for the startup collegepedia.in, which provides free online lectures to students preparing for engineering entrance exams. At the end of first year, I interned at Mindzone.in as a marketing intern. Not limiting myself to the technology genre, I was a part of Inter-Hall Dramatics and Open IT events of Elocution and Dramatics. I have qualified the first round of Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana and Astronomy Olympiad. I have participated in case study events by Entrepreneurship IIT Guwahati and have been a case study finalist by Technish IIT Guwahati, Indian Case Challenge 2014 and in audit in Chitis 2014. If elected as Gender Secretary Technology, Technology Students Gymkhana, I shall discharge my duties with utmost dedication and sincerity.
Raja, just tell me, Lala Lajpat Rai Hall of Residence has been a strong contender for the Tech GC in the last 2 years, right? This year, even though almost half the Tech GC is over, it's at 0. And you, as the efficient manager of the tech events of Lala Lajpat Rai, what went wrong basically?
First of all, I would like to thank you for considering Lala Lajpat Rai a strong contender for the past 2 years. And let me clarify the fact it is still a strong contender this year also. And sir, let me complete my answer. The teams from Lal Lajpat Rai Hall of Presidents participated with full enthusiasm. And at the end, it's not the winning but the participation, not the triumph but the struggle that matters.
Okay, so you believe that under your tutelage, if the Inter-IT tech team comes in last, even though they have given the best, you believe that's okay? Even this year they have come in fourth, the next year it comes in last, you will be okay with that and you will give the same answer that you are giving right now, right?
Because results don't matter, right? It is trying that matters and not results.
Sir, both results and trying matters. Results are a mixture of many things.
That
But
is not what you
basically
just said. That is
what
not what
trying
you just
matters and what learning matters. So, if the teams have learned, if they have participated with full enthusiasm, that is what matters at the end.
You still haven't answered this question. What if the Inter-IT contingent comes in
You
last?
already have one follow-up.
Sir, I have answered
Let's
my
move on to the
question.
next question.
If you
Let's
don't
move on to the
get it,
next question.
Raja, why did you mention a SGP in your statement of purpose?
Sir, according to the objective of the Technology Students Gymkhana, the Technology Students Gymkhana aims to foster a well-balanced development of its members through excellence in extracurricular and co-curricular activities along with their academic attainments. So, along with my extracurricular and co-curricular activities, I mentioned my academic attainments.
Raja, how have you efficiently managed the events that have happened up till now, even with a zero score? How have you done that efficient management? I want to just know how have you done that?
Yes, sir, I can explain the whole thing. I was responsible for scheduling the meetings, for maintaining the link between the captain and the different team members, and I was also responsible for the workshop of hardware workshop in my Hall of Presidents.
Do you think your responsibility ends with just ensuring the meeting and you're not responsible for the results?
Sir, I am responsible of the results. If you are so concerned about the results, 4 events are still left and Lal Lajpat Rai Hall of Presidents can still get a total of 350 points in the Technology Challenge Championship.
Raja, can you please elaborate on your work in Business Club IIT Kharagpur?
Yes, sir. As a part of the publicity team, I was responsible for the social media publicity of the event of Indian Case Challenge, in which the number of participants grew from 294 to 510, and I was also responsible for publicizing the event in IM Calcutta, where the number of participants grew from 2 to 10, and in ISM Dhanbad, where the number of participants grew from 1 to 5.
Okay, so you said something about social media, right? So how did you, what do you mean by social media? Where do you publicize?
Sir, publicizing on Facebook and Twitter.
Okay. Raja, did you leave B Club IIT Kharagpur?
Sir, I never left B Club IIT Kharagpur. It was never mandatory for me to continue as a subhead after completing my tenure as associate member.
Raja, what do you think are the qualities that are required to be a General Secretary Technology?
Sir, the qualities that are required are inclination towards technical events, good managerial skills, and hard-working ability.
So, again, I'll get back to that. With a zero score, you believe you have displayed managerial skills? With a zero score. And last year you were the runners-up. Yeah, and last year you were the winner. Lala Lajpat Rai was the winner.
Sir, it seems that you are very much concerned about the scores. I already
No, I'm concerned about-
Let me complete the answer.
I'm concerned about what you're projecting out here.
Let me complete the answer.
You still didn't answer the question.
Yes, let me complete. If I get a chance of speaking my answer, then only I can complete.
Please do.
If you are so concerned about the standings, 4 events are still left, and Lala Lajpat Rai Hall of Presidents can still get a total of 350 points in a Technology Challenge Championship.
Raja, are you aware of the legal event which is organized under Shitij?
Ma'am, can you please repeat your question?
Are you aware of a legal event which is organized under the Shitij?
Yes, ma'am. This year, a legal event was organized under Chittish.
Can you name the event?
Yes,
What's
ma'am.
the name of the event?
Moot court competition.
What's the name of the event?
Ma'am, Chittish doesn't fall under my purview. I know the fact that.
But
moot
you're
court-
standing for the post of Technology General Secretary.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you must be knowing.
Yes, ma'am. The name doesn't matter. I know that it was a moot court competition.
So don't you think the name which is given to Shitij, there is a Techno Management Fest, it should be changed to Techno Management Legal Fest?
No, ma'am. The law called
Just a minute. I would request to the panelists that let's not ask questions related to Shitij. Because then we have overall coordinators looking after Shitij. technology, and they'll be looking after general championship and overall technological events, not children's. Please.
Okay, Raja, how would you be able to manage the work of a general secretary technology with the work of a startup?
Sir, during my third semester, I worked as the Under Secretary Technology Committee member of Lal Lajpat Rai Hall of Presidents. I also participated in the events under the Social and Cultural Gender Championship. And I also managed my startup and secured a SGPA of 8.52.
Okay, so how are the awards being decided at Gymkhana level for technology?
Sir, the awards are being decided by the General Secretaries in consultation with the different General Secretaries of Halls of Residence.
Okay, so can you please give the point distribution?
No sir, currently I am not aware of the point distribution.
You're actually wrong. The General Secretary Technology decides the awards in consultation with the President and the PDIs and the sports officer in charge. So please, if you do become the General Secretary Technology of the Gymkhana, please ensure that it's done the right way.
Raja also learned the
Thanks
constitution.
for hoping that I will be elected as a General Secretary.
I'm really not hoping.
Yes, Raja. Yes, I'm digressing a bit. You just said something about your startup business plan and all, right? What exactly it is? I mean, can you just provide a gist of that?
Sir, it's an educational startup having features blended from a social networking website, a e-commerce website and a content-based website.
Okay, Raja, if a hall of residence takes part over the subcommittee meetings of a particular event, but at the end moment it doesn't submit the final abstract, so and it creates a lot of chaos in the subcommittee meetings. So what is your say on it? Has it got any right to do it?
Ma'am, according to the rules, debarring rules will be applied on that hall of residence. If once it accepts that it will be participating in one of the events, but it doesn't participate, debarring rules will be applied.
I have a question related to your startup. Since you have involved in some of the startups like Expedia.in and so why are you not focusing on that instead of contesting for the post of General Secretary Technology?
Sir, I already answered my question that the workflow dynamics, the organizational structure allows me to also contest for the post of General Secretary Technology and also work for my startup.
Have you ever thought about getting an incubation for your startup in IIT Kharagpur itself? And if so, what's the process?
Yes sir, I will go for the incubation as and when required and as and when the decision is taken by the team.
Are you aware of the process? That was my question.
Sir, I will learn about it as and when required. Thank you.
Do we have any more questions or? Okay, thank you.
I will read out my proposals. My first proposal, I propose to introduce a e-brochure for increasing awareness about Technology General Championship among postgraduate, research scholar and first year students. My second proposal, I propose to introduce a data analytics event in the Technology General Championship. My third proposal, I propose to conduct a workshop on data analytics and case study for increasing the employability of students of IIT Kharagpur. I will read out my first proposal. A e-brochure primarily for increasing awareness among the first year, postgraduate and research scholar students. The brochure will be mailed through Vice President's mailer and will also be shared on the social media pages. The e-brochure will contain event description, few basic rules and collection of links resources from where students can acquire the basic skills to participate. It will also contain information about Inter-IIT Tech Meet. The benefits of this proposal are increased awareness among first year, postgraduate and research scholar students, more participation from first year, postgraduate and research scholar students, develop the interest of first year students towards Technology General Championship, increased participation of postgraduate students and research scholar students will help in increasing the technical output of Technology General Championship and increase awareness about Inter-IIT Tech Meet.
Can you please throw some light on the groundwork you have done?
Sir, I have a sample of the e-brochure. I would like to present you with the same.
Can you have the sample? A sample does not give us an idea of the groundwork you have done. That is just an example, not the
Sir, a sample is a sample of almost completion of my proposal.
No, that is not a completion of your proposal. That is just an example. If you make an app, just let me complete my statement. If you make an app and say this is what the app looks like, and if you do not prove its feasibility, that is not your groundwork.
Sir, the
Please get it
feasibility will be
clear.
proved by the groundwork I have done, by the people I have met, and the future results.
Yeah, that is what the question was. Showing us the brochure will not help.
Sir, I told that I have met many students, many postgraduate students, many first year students, and they have told me that they are not aware about the events and the technology championship. So this brochure will certainly make them aware of this.
What will be the impact of this brochure on the general championship?
Okay, sir, let me first get you with the brochure. Sir, this is the sample of the brochure. As you can see, in the very first page, we have the different points of the different events in the technology championship. In the very second page, we have the description of the events, what are the events, and a few description and a few basic rules for the events.
So how will it impact on the general championship, technology general championship?
Yes, sir. I contacted many postgraduate students and first year students, and they told me that lack of awareness and lack of knowledge was the major problems that they faced. So for lack of awareness, there is a section in the brochure that tells the participants about the different events and the description, and we also have learning resources, different links from where the first years and the postgraduate students, if they need, can learn from those links.
Don't you think it will be much cheaper if you increase the awareness by using some website or e-brochures?
Sir, it seems
Sorry.
you didn't listen to my proposal. This is a e-brochure.
Ambaresh, my question is like, you are designing a brochure and sending everyone, right? Since the publicity is already occurring in Facebook a lot, and it's like, what is the, development or use if you use a brochure? Instead of brochure, you can use an app, right? Likewise, we have an app for TNP Lite. You can just use an app, that will be easy for you, right?
Sir, I would like to quote an expert. According to Edward Tuft, an expert in data visualization, information design is the practice of presenting information in the way that fosters efficient.
I don't
and
want the
effective
definition of the brochure.
Sir,
See, my
this very
question
question-
was,
can we have the answer from the- can we have the answer
Your
from the
and answers are
candidate?
mine. So let me complete my answer. According to Edward Tuft, an expert in data visualization, information design is the practice of presenting information in the way that fosters efficient and effective understanding of it. So instead of a simple mailer, this would be certainly be a better option.
see, I couldn't get anything from it. See, I couldn't get anything from it, okay?
that's not my problem.
If you are designing a brochure, then no one will understand anything.
Every
No, I got my answer.
student-
I got my answer. I got my
Let me complete my answer. Every responsible student of IIT Kharagpur checks his ERP mails, so he will always be
See,
informed.
the aim of designing brochure is for easy to understand.
We have already had one for.
Did you have a trial run for this and then conduct a survey if this was useful or not? Did you do any such thing?
Yes, sir. I went to the halls of residence and I asked them.
No, asking does not do, because this is an e-brochure you are proposing. You should have sent it to a few people and then conducted a survey whether this would be useful or not. Did you do any such thing?
Sir, there is a process called voice vote. When I met the different people, the first years and postgraduate students, I took their voice vote about their awareness of the different events, and the voice vote was in the favor of this.
How many students did you meet regarding this?
Sir, I didn't count the number of students.
So, what
I took voice vote-
percentage of
Sir,
students of IIT Kharagpur did you meet regarding this, and what percentage of students do you want to cover through this proposal?
Sir, each and every student will be mailed this proposal, and I met almost every student from the halls of Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence, Lal Bahadur Shastra Hall of
That is
Residence.
not an exhaustive sample set, please. There is a fundamental issue called a sample
Sir,
set.
I took the voice vote of the students, and they said that there was a problem of lack of awareness and lack of knowledge.
Raja, what we mean is,
Raja,
have you conducted a trial run? Which means that have you sent these e-brochures out to those people whom you talked to and who were unaware of going on in the Tech GC, and after that they were actually aware of it. Did you conduct such a trial run?
Raja, as a candidate, are you allowed
I think I've already asked a question and let him answer that.
Sir, as a candidate, I am not allowed to do a test survey, and anyway, sir.
Okay,
let me
forget the
complete
survey.
my
What
answer,
about the
sir.
test run?
Let me complete my answer. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that somewhere in the future this will work.
It's good to quote codes, but have you made any sample of it, prepared any e-brochure?
Yes, sir, it's available to one of the panelists.
Raja, you said that you have conducted the survey, right? So, what exactly is the quantity of survey? I mean, it is a quantity. How many number of people that you have met, you didn't know, and still you are saying that you have conducted a survey, and you have saying that you have met n number of people, and this is not the way to do it. If it is a survey, you should quote some statistics. Do you have any?
Sir, for the voice vote, the statistics are never quoted, and let me tell you, in the Indian Parliament, 90% of the bills are passed by voice vote.
There is a proper documentation in Indian Parliament how voice vote is conducted. Please don't misquote anything. You don't know the total sample size. You don't know how many people are attending it. In Indian Parliament, we know how many people are present in Parliament. Okay.
Have you ever heard of Lok Sabha TV and Rajya Sabha TV? It's
Sir, I have already told, you can check on the Wikipedia page.
Again, you're diverting from the
90%
question
of
that we have
the bills in the Indian Parliament are passed by voice vote.
but it's documented in, and you can see it anytime on Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha.
And I
Are you aware of that?
have gone to all
related to it?
Let's move on to the next question, please. We've already stuck to this topic a lot of times. Next question.
Raja, how will this brochure of yours will increase awareness about the inter-IT tech meet?
Sir, there is also a section for the inter-IT tech meet. I met the previous general secretaries and they said that information dissemination was one of the basic problems. So if they will be informed about the inter-IT tech meet, more and more participation will come for it.
Thank you, Raja.